Do you want to sound more natural and confident in English? In this video, we go through 40 of the most common grammar mistakes English learners make and how to fix them. 1. He don't like pizza. He doesn't like pizza. Use doesn't with he, she, it. 2. She can sings well. She can sing well. Use the base verb after can. 3. Me and John went there. John and I went there. Use I as the subject, not me. 4. I didn't went to school. I didn't go to school. Use base verb after didn't. 5. Where you are going? Where are you going? In questions, use verb before subject. 6. She very tall. She is very tall. Add the verb is. 7. They has 2 dogs. They have 2 dogs. Use have with they, we, I, you. 8. He live in London. He lives in London. Add s for he, she, it in present simple. 9. We was happy. We were happy. Use were with we, you, they. She married with a doctor. She is married to a doctor. Say married to, not with. 11. I'm agree with you. I agree with you. Agree is a verb, not an adjective. 12. He told me the truth. He told me the truth. No to after told. 13. Do you can help me? Can you help me? Don't use do with modal verbs. 14. Let's to go home. Let's go home. Don't use to after let's. 15. It depends of the weather. It depends on the weather. Say depend on, not of. 16. I have 25 years. I am 25 years old. Use am for age, not have. 17. He said me to wait. He told me to wait. Use told someone, not said me. 18. The informations are useful. The information is useful. Information is uncountable. 19. He is more taller than me. He is taller than me. Don't use more with adjectives. 20. She is married since 2010. She has been married since 2010. Use present perfect with since. 21. She didn't went to work. She didn't go to work. Always use the base verb after didn't. 22. He has saw that movie. He has seen that movie. Use past participle with has, have. 23. I am agree with you. I agree with you. Don't use am with agree. It's a verb. 24. He is good in math. He is good at math. Use good at, not in. 25. This is more better. This is better. Better is already a comparative. 26. She didn't know the answer. She didn't know the answer. Base verb after didn't. 27. He is married with a teacher. He is married to a teacher. Always married to. 28. That's depends. It depends. Use the correct subject plus verb. 29. I like very much this book. I like this book very much. Correct word order matters. 30. She is doctor. She is a doctor. Use a and before professions. 31. We enjoyed very much. We enjoyed ourselves very much. Enjoy needs a reflexive pronoun here. 32. I didn't understood. I didn't understand. Use base form after didn't. 33. She plays piano. She plays the piano. Use the with instruments. 34. I have seen her yesterday. I saw her yesterday. Use past simple with time words like yesterday. 35. He do a lot of work. He does a lot of work. Use does with he, she, it. 36. I am not agree. I don't agree. Use don't agree, not am. 37. I didn't know about it. I didn't know about it. Base verb after didn't. 38. She didn't told me. She didn't tell me. Never use past tense after didn't. 39. He is more tall than me. He is taller than me. Use taller, not more tall. 40. My hairs are black. My hair is black. Hair is uncountable in English.